Gotta close this.
Alright, the vinyl came in. I didn't expect 5 feet. I mean, obviously, I know what 5 feet is, but until I've seen it, I didn't expect it to be that big.
Your hair looks crazy.
Yeah, I know. Fixed my hair in a matter of in the time Bastion did this with the ski.
Oh, it's not that tall anymore. I lost a couple of inches.
Yeah.
And all you did was pull it out. You can tell it's purple, but it looked a little black at first. Definitely looks darker than it is.
You see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm taking the hood off today. So. Hope this goes well. Not too shitty. Oh god. Uh-oh. I forgot about that. How adult trip over you? I'm really near the end. A little bit over.
You didn't want to come check this side first.
Why?
Just to see, just to make sure. Yeah. I didn't know if you didn't trust in me or not. Interesting. Okay.
Damn.
I dulled the blade.
I think so. Alright, now you got. Make sure it's centered. Or make sure it's under the whole toe. Make sure the whole thing. Alright, since you guys are just sitting over there watching, I'll show you how it's coming out. The camera, not you. Bastion looked at me like he was like, what am I doing? I'm watching you because I'm not helping.
I am.
Well, you are helping, but...
Fine, so I'm not helping. I'll just drop the vinyl.
That's what it looks like right now.
Pretty much stuck to me.
There are a few little marks in it, but I mean, I don't really care, honestly. I just want to get it on.
Cut. I'm so settled. Didn't you know that?
Oh, I know. That's why you're not using this. Watch your fingers, bro. Yeah. Oh, I thought it left already.
No.
Alright, the hood's wrapped. I don't know if you can tell from here. Yeah. Look at all of that. It's really only that. I mean, the hood's pretty flat, other than over there and stuff. The hood's pretty flat. It's just this side really did not do too well. So, yeah. And then this part right here in the front's going to be covered by the molding when it comes in, obviously. So, I'm not really worried about it. There's just being my fucking face. So I'm not really worried about it. Alright guys, my trunk thing broke. I don't know why the hell it won't close. But I tied it to under the car. And it I'm just getting back home. I'm hoping it just needs to be greased up. And I don't have I was gonna say anybody. I don't have any grease in the, yeah, I got groceries. I just came from Walmart. Grease in the car like WD-40 or something. So I tied it, but we were just messing around watching it flip open. And I purposely hit a giant, like, dip. And that shit just flew open.
What?
So, Bastion, I don't know if I mentioned it in the video yet. I know I did, but I don't know if it's in a video. I probably deleted the clip. Bastion is making beef jerky lately, and I've been obsessed with it. So we bought 3 things of sizzle steak and a bunch of ingredients because we're trying 100 different freaking flavors. Perfectly good trunk. $1,000 trunk. I know what I got. I got good money we do one day doing this.
My mom wants me to start recording more.
Huh?
My mom wants me to start recording more.
Why?
Because she bought me things to record.
Yeah.
Like when we're out here doing this,
Yeah.
she wants me to record.
Okay. That's good.
But how am I supposed to record for you and me?
I'll send you the clip.
While helping.
What? Good job. You tried English this time. I didn't understand whatever that other language was. All right, now you put it through here, and then up through here, and then down through this one. Well, don't put it through this one. Actually, one comes through here. And then you put it through there. And that's how you change the trunk. And that's how you scratch my trunk. Thanks,
What, am I not supposed to kick the other one?
No.
For not wanting to work. Me recording? I'm probably just gonna take the little tripod thing I have, set it up somewhere, and whatever we get, we get.
Forever. Your mom tells him she wants him to record more now. He's supposed to.
Yeah.
No.
Awfully convenient.
No.
Awfully convenient, Bastion.
I want to record more because
Memories?
I don't know. I just like I want to do it.
I like
but
recording.
I don't think of recording.
I like recording YouTube videos, but I also like thinking of it. That's how Roman thinks of it, as memories.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, it's a lot of just sitting here watching, but I just bent my other trunk. I stepped on it, so don't leave your parts out where you're going to be walking. I'm going to swap out that piece for my purple one, and then hopefully my hood one comes in soon. The one for the hood. It's supposed to be here Thursday. Today's Tuesday. I think it looks pretty good. I just need the black bumper now.
Oh my god, I closed this